Today on Chris Does What, I'm going to be looking at this Hitachi grinder. I'll leave a link down below, but it's a 4-inch wheel grinder and it does what I want it to do. It grinds. So if you look right here, you have this handle. It comes off, it will go on both sides. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, you can use it. Now if I'm left-handed, you'd have to work the trigger with your finger here. Right-handed, I can work it with my thumb, so I like that the trigger is right here. Now on this trigger, you have to push it forward to make it go. So if you want it to lock and just grind, you can push it forward and you can lock, and then when you're done, you just clip that little thing right there and it stops. I kind of like that over the little throttle thing, because it's on or off. But there's only one speed on this thing. I have been using this with wire brush and grinder blade. On my boat, I'm going to cut the tongue off, and of course I need a grinder. I didn't want to spend a lot of money to do this, so this was about 40 bucks. And then I picked up one of these. I cleaned up bolts and things like that. Use eye protection with this, because one of these in the eye would probably be problematic. And it comes with 6 of these grinder blades, and then your little tool to take them off. So, not a bad product. It works. This reminds me of the one I used to use as a kid when I used to do a lot of welding and stuff. So it's not a bad product. I like the build quality on it. It's got a decent amount of weight, so I don't think you'll be too upset with this if you're just looking for a little small grinder that you can use with one hand. If you would have a bigger job, get something bigger. If you like this channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there. Looks like this. And if you want this, I've left the links down below. And if you have feedback, leave that down below. I'd love to hear it. Y'all please take care.